A rainy day symbolized by a drizzle and the sweet smell of soil. Hello friends, my name is Sanidhya. I am studying at International School. I love rain, so today I am making you more familiar with rain. I remember playing in the puddles as a little girl. Those memories are still fresh. A rainy day means cold weather with the cooling breeze and rain showers. It delights everyone, bringing the sign of relief from the scorching heat. A rainy day provides welcome relief from normal hot and humid climate. A rainy day symbolized by a drizzle and the sweet smell of soil. The rains watered, trees and vegetation reveal to their lush green color. Full view becomes enchanting with the dark clouds. Sometimes school will cancel due to heavy rainfall. There's a good chance for seeing the beautiful rainbow. Rain can be also a problem for the people who are poor or they want to travel, as well as certain crops and fruits. But I love rain. Thank you for watching my video. If you like rain, so don't forget to like it and share in the comments your best part of the rainy day. Bye.